The hardest part isn't starting, it's not falling out of the flow. BYI keeps everything you need on one page. Ordinary editors throw you off the page every time you need to note something and the thought is lost. BYI is different. Here's your scene. A clean page and a comfortable editor, just sit down and write. Need a new character, a relationship, a world note or an event? Right-click right in the text and add it without leaving the page. A small window, only the fields you need. Save and keep writing. The thought isn't lost. Select a line, a colored highlight or a sticky note right in the text, like notes in a manuscript's margin. Scene notes stay close, questions to yourself, ideas, edits for later. A POV checklist helps you deepen the scene, bodily sensations, hidden feelings, the character's inner contradictions. One key, and everything else falls away. Just you and the text. Ctrl+F, find and replace across the whole scene in seconds. The app reads your text aloud at your pace and counts words toward your daily goal, progress at a glance. Characters, sticky notes, search, focus all summoned from the page. Saves time, keeps focus, nothing is lost. Stay in the flow and finish your book. Start at byi.skynet.com.